So let's start. Go to uploads and upload an image that you want to insert in your text. So increase its size now and go to text and add a heading and add your text in it. I'm gonna use text, sample text, and I'm gonna increase its size like this. Now you have to um wait. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna increase its size till it can be seen. Go to fonts and change its font to this font that you can see at the last. Now I'm gonna adjust both of them. Now you have to adjust it. Now change its color to white. Decrease the picture size that it gets into beside the text. Now add a square and you have to adjust the picture like this and add the square like this. Go to color of that square and then change it into white. Now add a new page and in that you're gonna add a rectangle, add text and change the text font. Now download this one. Add into uploads and you have to add the picture that you previously used. Now send it towards the back from layers. Adjust it like this. And let's see. Now the next thing you have to do is that you have to wait. Yeah, go to filters and change the filters as I have directed. Change its color to white. And now hide the image behind the text. Add more filters. Finally, you can download this image from download option. And if you like the video, be sure to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. Make sure to comment down in the comments and I'll meet you in another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye.